Looking for someone to find bread in the gutter with. Looking for someone to eat ocean floor with.
I'm not surprised.
Oh my. Looking for someone to turn into a butterfly with. This was a stretch.
It's not keeping Bobby from the block. See, this is the thing. My mom always made me do school plays, and I don't never want to. I come and I do it, and I be like, why am I here? I just see all these little white kids, and I'm just like, why? I ain't even made for theater. You don't understand. Like, she always say, she like, my mom say, she said, keep, I mean, little Bobby, go to school and be in your plays, because you might be a famous actor one day. And I was like, I want to be.
Hold on,
what? Did somebody just say drugs? No, bro, can I get some drugs? Hold on, no, I just think, no. I've been looking for you all week, and you still ain't gave me drugs. I gave you $10.
Bobby, I kicked you out of here last week!
Oh, okay, I gotta go.
Oh my gosh.
Do you smell that? Do you smell it? This is the smell. This is what a middle school girl's bathroom smell like. But my name is Bobby and I'm here to control it. Where did my Pokeball go? Oh, it's right here. See, when I come in with my Pokeball, all the smell and the fragrance go in here. This is what people don't understand. That the Pokeball actually traps all the fish smells, all the like bad fish smells, you know what I'm saying? Like the girls' bathrooms, you know what I'm saying? Like it do that. And do it when it does it. Hello?
911, what's your emergency?
I'm calling on my sister. She a criminal. She stole my green crayons. 911.
Yes, what's your emergency?
Yo, I know I just called, but my sister's about to really kill me. She's on her way now. She's really big. No!
You know it's not funny? PCP.
Oh, man, this is crazy. I ain't never did nothing like this in my life, man. Oh, I'm taking a shower.
Hey, over here. Come on, over.
Hey, my mama just made me join baton throwing class, and I just hit my mother face. Yo.
What's up, Bobby?
I like to prank phone call people, and I'm a prank phone call this sex shop. Hello?
Little Caesar's Steak Shop, how can I help you today?
Do you specialize in sex?
In what?
Success.
Success?
Success.
Yeah, what? Yeah, can I get your order, man?
Yeah, can I get a quarter pounder of success and love?
Yeah.
Time.
What? How you doing it?
My name is Marty Barks. I'm 11 years old and I'm about to set the world record for most paddleball hits in a row while in a coma. Okay.
Damn, you just got knocked the out. Oh, he alive.
Did I do it?
I think you did it.
I think if Keith comes out and does what's the character? Bobby from the block. If Keith does that, I will not laugh.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a Friday night, and you know what that means. The Giggle Pit has become the Poetry Home Tree. Starting off the night, we got a little guy named Bobby from the block. Show him some snaps.
Can I get some mother snaps, one, please? Thank you. I need some bongos. Bongos. This is some boy. All right, so here we go. My mom died when I was 9. No, that still alive. But she grounded me at 9, so she dead to me. My dad had me at 10. Where do I begin? But now he's in the pen, lifting weights and getting ripped and getting big and dropping the soap and taking the and My sister's only 2, changing her doodle diapers. She used guns already, AKs and some snipers. Grandma was a slave, still rocking them chains, getting whipped every day, but she was into that Look at my family, yeah, I made it through. Come on, get me wet. Did that work? Yep, can I get some snaps?
Oh my god. Oh no.
You even called her and I didn't expect it.
I will say, Keith, that was my favorite Bobby from the Block.
Really? I did that for you.
Man, that got rough. I felt bad for Bobby.
Hello, phone SEX operator. I want to talk to somebody who likes BMX. Yeah, the thing with like chains and whips and stuff. No, not slavery, just like the cool stuff.
BMX?
BMX, that's what it is, right?
Hate me and peacocks. Hey, Anthony Padilla, don't worry how I got your number. Anyway, I just wonder like where the hell you been at? Yeah, no, yeah, what? No, that's what he said. No, yes. Okay, I'll let him know. Anthony said he's never coming back. Flying to some Tiggo Bitties and beyond.
The wings got stuck. That's all I had. That is all I had. The wings got stuck. I'm clapping. That's all I had.
Are you prepared for Jehovah's return? Cause if you're not, I got these pamphlets, which is the Bible. My mom said if you don't sign up with our church today, you'll be forever in a lake of fire with the devil. And I'm still trying to figure out who wrote that shit. Because if you really think about, oh my God, it's real. Oh, y'all better get right, or get left. Angels are dancing out here.
Okay, we're done.
What?
Okay, breathe in. Okay, breathe out.
I know.
It's not part of it.
I'm a good boy. I need to hydrate.
Mm-hmm. Okay, breathe in. And out. Okay, breathe in. And out. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. See, I'm a fucking construction worker.
God! It took so long to get to that joke!
Okay, breathe in. Okay, breathe out. There we go. Okay, hold it. Breathe out. I don't hear. Because I'm a construction worker. And this is a toy. You want music?
Do I want music? Yeah, why not put some music on? I don't know.
Copyright free
No, I
music.
Yes. Important.
Should I be a baby basketball player? Or should I be... Oh, no, I don't need the music. It's okay.
Don't look at her. Turn around.
Okay. Breathe in. Okay, and breathe out. Breathe in. Supple lips. Now breathe out. Okay, now hold it. Alright, Paul. You thought I was a basketball player. I'm not. I'm actually a murderer.
Okay, breathe in. Okay, breathe out. Breathe in. Okay, breathe out. Okay. So I'm not a doctor.
And can someone come be the fisherman?
Is it a fisherman?
I'm a
you're,
fisherman.
yeah, you're gonna try and catch me.
Olivia, I can hear you.
Silence for 3 minutes.
Ready?
So who's the fisherman?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
You'll see.
Okay.
Hi there, sir. We're having a protest and a petition. Red Lobster does horrible things to their fish. Horrible things. Look at what they do to their lobster.
No!
Look at this. He's really an employee.
I'm gonna base this.
You want my meat!
Can we have your signature, sir?
Ow, please, not my
I'm a fisherman.
She went to Juilliard.
not my claws! I'm 150 years old, how could you do this to me?
I have no idea what's happening.
Hi there. Would you be interested in signing this petition for abuse? Wiener Schnitzel does this to their hot
Hot dog
dogs.
on a stick.
Hi there, sir. Can I get you to sign this petition? It's very important. We're standing against Banana Boat. They do so much to bananas you would never believe.
I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. No,
Can I get your signature? By the way, she went to Juilliard. She did.
but she barely passed.
I'm an actor!
And how would you say that makes you feel?
Well, it's very hard growing up in a tree. Especially when I actually have an abnormality. I grow cherries out of my piss.
Out of your, I'm sorry, you grow cherries out of your
Armpits.
armpits. It's okay. Okay. All right. So what's it like living in the free world now?
Well, I found out quickly that everything in America is supersized. Like bread, remote, iPhone,
Human ears. Okay.
ears.
Have you ever thought that it could be because you are banana-sized?
No.
No!
It's too real. It's too weird.
We have a winner.
We have a winner.
I'm so down for that one.
Wait, well, I didn't get it.
It's just a dog show, but with people instead.
I thought it was ventriloquism, and I was like,
Get out.
oh, winner. Oh my god, no! Do not want to do this today. If I do this right now, oh my god, if I do this, it's gonna affect my whole day. God. Why is this a thing? Like, why do we have to do this? Like, why does this exist? Oh, God. Fine.
Thank you for calling Sextrum Internet. Please remember that all calls are being recorded for training purposes. For billing, press 1. For internet services, press 2. To be on hold all day and be completely neglected by our corporate company, press 3. To be absolutely stepped on and obliterated by a daddy dom.
Thanks so much for this opportunity. I'm really glad I got to do this for you guys. So just when the green light is okay. Thank you for calling Sextrum Internet. We know we've probably fucked up somehow. Oh, sorry? You don't want me to say that. Okay, sorry. Welcome to Sextrum Internet. Thank you for calling Sextrum. Do you want to get stepped on by a daddy dom? I'm sorry. Let me do it again. I'll do it again. Thank you for calling Sextrum Internet. For what? For billing? For sex? For button? We are a deteriorating corporate company. Please give us your money. We want your money, and we will step on you, and we'll give you Wi-Fi.
You almost went Jeff Goldblum there. We won. Stand right here? Okay, good. My name's Peter. Playing for the role of Shrek. Donkey! Get out of my swamp! Donkey! We have to get the princess. Okay, that didn't work, sorry. Alright, so, Peter, 5'7". Try out for the role of Donkey. Shrek! We have to get the princess! Shrek! Stand right here? Okay, great. It's Phil, 5'7". Try out for the role of Pennywise. Let's see. Shrek! We have to save the princess. Oh no, Donkey. We must stop Lord Farquaad. Oh.
Just keep flipping.
Stand right here. Phil. All right, I am reading for some douchebag. But Lord Farquaad, we can't do that because I am Shrek.
Frickin' bro, dude. Last night, dude, Jessica came over to my place. Dude, it was nuts. We totally
read the Bible.
It was awesome, man. It was so sick. So freaking sick, dude. Dude, she totally got on her knees and then she totally
read the Bible.
It was awesome. It was so sick, dude. We freaking
read the Bible.
So hard. So freaking hard, dude. And then, and then we found my parents, like we found their stash, and then we totally
read the Bible.
All over. It was so sick, dude. God damn it.
You didn't make you laugh?
No.
That was so funny.
My faith held strong.
Guys, so obviously Shane is not here today, but it wouldn't be a try not to laugh. If we didn't do some of his like special techniques, the audience would riot. So I was with this girl the other night. Things were getting hot and heavy, and then you know what we did?
Oh my god.
And then you know what we did?
Are you at the beach?
Hey girl, you know, I was thinking maybe go back to my place, light some candles, talk real smooth, go to my bedroom, maybe we could
File our taxes.
then, you know, lay you down, spread it out, you know what I mean? And then, oh, you know what's next. We'll
Graduate from the University of Phoenix.
and then it's time for the finisher. Right as you're about to explode, we'll both look into each other's eyes.
Read the Bible.
Yeah!
That's right. Wait, hold on, one more time.
Read the Bible. And then have sex.
Yeah!
It's time.
I was so close because I remember the read the Bible and I was like, are you going to use the same track?
Yeah. I would have laughed. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
All right, this one's it.
Graduate.
Ian, you look so cute.
It's time.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Okay, you got this, Shane. You got this, Shane. Please, God, please. I'll be right back. I gotta record something. Dude, bro. Like freaking bro, dude, trust me, bro. Dude, yesterday went over to Emily's place. Dude, and you freaking you know that we Moby Dick by Herman Melville. Chapter 1. Loomings. Call me Ishmael. Some years ago, never mind how long precisely, having little or no money in my purse and nothing particular to interest me on shore, I thought I would sail about a little and see the watery part of the world. It is a way I have of driving off the spleen and regulating the circulation. Whenever I find myself growing grim about the mouth, whenever it is a damp, drizzly November in my soul, whenever I find myself involuntarily pausing before coffin warehouses and bringing up the rear of every funeral I meet, and especially whenever my hypos get such an upper hand of me that it requires a strong moral principle to prevent me from deliberately stepping into the street and methodically knocking people's hats off. Then I account it high time to get to sea as soon as I can. This is my substitute for pistol and ball. With a philosophical flourish, Cato throws himself upon his sword. I quietly take to the ship. There is nothing surprising in this. If they but knew it, almost all men in their degree, some time or other, cherish very nearly the same feelings towards the ocean with me. There is now your insular city of the Manitos, belted round by wharves as Indian Isles coral reefs, Commerce surrounds it with her surf. Right and left, the streets take you waterward. Its extreme downtown is the Battery, where the noble mole is washed by waves and cooled by breezes. With a few hours previous, we're out of sight of land. Look at the crowds of water gazers there. Circumbobulate the city of a dreamy Sabbath afternoon. Go from Corlier's Hook to Coenties Slip, and from thence go to Emily's house, where we totally smashed. We smashed a lot. Trust me, bro. Like freaking bro. We totally smashed. And then we smashed some more. Bro, we absolutely totally smashed. And when Queequeg entered, he also smashed. We smashed, he smashed. We all did the monster smash.
Oh my god, did that not make you laugh? God damn it! Nothing makes you laugh! It sucks!
Shay, what seems to be the problem?
Nothing, Michael Caine. I'm trying to make a joke for Gus Johnson, and once again, I can't make him laugh.
You mean Gus Johnson, from the Gus and Eddie podcast?
Yeah, that one.
He's so funny. I love his jokes, especially his one about when strangers take your photo, but they're always blurry.
Yeah, I know, it's a great joke. It's really funny.
Hey, what seems to be the problem over here?
Nothing John Travolta. I'm trying to make a joke for Gus Johnson, but nothing makes him laugh.
Oh, well, have you tried doing the one about the barbershop too?
Yeah, I tried that one. It didn't work.
Oh man, I'm so sorry. It seems to work.
John, you gotta get out of here.
Yeah, you don't seem so good, John.
Chapter 2. The carpet bag. I stuffed a shirt or two into my old carpet bag, tucked it under my arm, and started for Cape Horn in the Pacific, quitting the good city of Old
Yeah, so me and my girlfriend, we were out on the town and we
Read the Bible.
we
Read the Bible. I'm a white guy.
Shane Top, that's me, the Smosh guy.
Gus Johnson, it's nice to finally meet you in person. My name is The Chosen. I hear you've never lost this show before. Interesting. See, what you don't know is that I have proof that you're a cheater. Using spy equipment that I got at Radio Shack, I recorded some candid conversations proving that you're a liar and a cheat. Need proof? I have the conversations right here.
Reasons why Tauren druids are the class.
Okay. Here it is.
Okay, don't freak out, but I think I might be Dragonborn.
Okay, this is it. This is it. Everyone be serious.
Sonic chuckled as he wiped the blood. Is that all you've got? Dominic Toretto loomed over, his fist high in the air, ready to kill.
Actually, it's pretty
If
sick.
you punch me, you punch the streets.
Yeah.
Well, how about we solve this like gentlemen?
Yeah.
Sonic said. And he looked over at John Wick.
Yeah.
John Wick nodded. The game was on.
Okay, actually. Stop, bro. Freaking bro. Okay, so, dude, last night, Brittany and I were hanging out. Oh my god, we drove up to Lookout Point. Dude, we got in the backseat of her car and we totally
Read the Bible.
It was insane, man. It was insane. And then she was like, dude, flip over. I'm gonna show you something you've never seen before. And I was like, okay. And then we totally.
Gus, it's me, your brother, Sven. I don't know where I am right now. They took me hostage and they've got me tied up right now. And they're holding up a sign for me to tell you that if you don't laugh, then You know what's gonna happen to me, okay? They want me to tell you this, but no, listen to me, Gus. Listen, you don't have to laugh if you don't want to, okay? No, oh, no, miss, no, please.
And then, bro, it was freaking crazy, bro. It was nuts. So then after that, I was like, no freaking way. No freaking way, bro. And then she's like, but check this out. And then we totally freaking...
Hey Gus, it's Eddie. Shane took me. Currently locked in his closet. Now, I know I was thinking probably the same you were thinking right now is this guy's pathetic. This guy to make a recording for the laugh, you know? Oh, how the can he just get you to laugh himself? And then I started thinking, and I'll be honest, I started drinking. I started thinking, if I can't make him laugh, you know, what does our friendship mean? If I can't make this guy laugh on a dime, who am I? You know? And so like, you know, like I mentioned.
Okay, technically, Eddie is the one who made Gus Johnson drink. So that's a point for Eddie. But still!
How do you feel?
I feel like that was a long time coming. Shane probably earned that 5 episodes.